Okay, we're just going to look at using Maptool to create a sightings map. Maptool is a free resource available for all registered users of SeaTurtle, www.seaturtle.org. You have to create a list of coordinates, and if you go into this here on the left is a large list of various coordinates. Here we're looking at a box that is created by using a track line, which is principally red in color, red, green, blue here on the color, or GB. There's a pixel width. You don't want to click the box here to check to fill it with a color, because otherwise the entire box will go completely red. Note that the longitude is a negative because it's west of Greenwich, or west of 0. So we click on the Belgian command coordinates here, and any other sightings that we wish to put in the map. So the common dolphins, pilot whales, Risso's dolphins, striped dolphins. So we want to create a sightings map with these on. We're not bothering with track lines in this instance, just for this example. We don't want a PDF, we want a JPEG, 200 dots per inch. So we've clicked on that, as you can see. We're using Mercator projection. We would use coordinates. We use 50 degrees to maximum latitude of 53, minimum latitude, longitude, oh gosh, what's happening here? Minimum longitude of -8, a maximum longitude of -14. Click on land, country names if you want them. Map scale, plain, bottom left is fine, with a scale length of 50 kilometers is good. We're using grid lines of 1 degree. Okay. Borders not necessary in this case because we have no national borders. The coastline in solid. The inset map should be bottom right so that it doesn't overwrite the map scale. For the layers, we want a topography layer, which will bring out the bathymetry, even though there is no bathymetry option, so topography is the one to choose. We'll make sure then that you color the relief and click on the relief box. Other than that, we want to choose topographic contours. Every 500 meters is pretty good in this case. Don't bother with a minimum and don't bother with a maximum for the annotate. We'll annotate every second contour, so we put that at 1000. So that's all the options we essentially need to choose before we click on create map, and then the map will be generated. This may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your internet connection speed and how busy the website is at this moment in time. But in a few seconds we should see the map generated. We'll wait. And wait. And wait. And now at this point I'm just about to go off and make a cup of tea. It can be fast, it can be slow, it tends to vary. I imagine, something's happening, it's processing the request. So here we have the Belgian command box that was generated by the track line, and these are all the sightings. You can see from the various symbols, these are striped dolphins, these are pilot whales, these are common dolphins, and this is a Risso's dolphin sighting, and this is the Belgian command SAC up here. If we want to get the JPEG image of this, we just click on the JPEG file here, and that will take us straight to the JPEG image, which we can download and then put into our documentation. Okay, that's it.